Hi everyone, today I am gonna show you how to plant this bonsai tree. I found this tree from Home Depot today. It was in this pot, just like this, sitting just like this, naked, without soil. But this bonsai tree is pretty healthy with green leaves. It looks nice, pretty, and I decided to buy it. Now let's start. This is stone which I found from beach. I'm covering this drainage hole with this stone, like so, and I put some potting soil in a pot. This potting soil consists of cocoa peat and potting soil. I put cocoa peat little bit. It helps with the drainage. And now I filled this pot halfway, and now I will put this plant in the center of the pot, like so. Here are roots, but they are dead, I think. It's a little bit higher. I have to take a little bit soil from this pot to cover these roots. And I will cover this plant with a potting soil. It's pretty plant. Nothing happened to this plant. Maybe somebody dropped it. I don't know why they put in this pot. And I found it for $1.99. It's very cheap. Usually bonsai trees, they cost $20, $19 and some cents. But this was very good price, $2 for bonsai tree. I will form around this tree the potting soil. It will help this much. It's enough. I'm not gonna fill this pot till the edges because it's not comfortable when we water this plant. It's enough. Let's clean the table. These shells, with these shells I'm gonna decorate this pot. I will place this pot in the plate and put some water. Look at this, water goes very fast, even though my potting soil is dry because I added cocoa peat. Water is going fast. I think it's enough. Now let's decorate this pot with my shells. to give this plant more pretty look. Like so. And these big shells I'm gonna put in the plate. Like so. I can put this big one. Yes. Yes. Now look how pretty this tree in this pot. This tree is pretty healthy and looks beautiful. Now look at this. I love how it looks. Let's take this away. And look at this tree. Let me take this vase away and you will see how it's looking now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you like my videos. Thank you. Bye.